Hello, guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle, fourth out of 9. Fourth puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, April the 12th, 2022. I've already solved 3 puzzles. Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars. This one is a tough one. Binary, and we have 2 puzzles left. The Sudoku mix and the Sudoku mix, killer Sudoku, or the Tectonic. And the Tectonic with 4 stars. But first, we will do this one, the 4 stars. Let me zoom this out. Oh, too much. Okay. Alright, this will be number 4398. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. Well, this one has 14. So for 4 stars puzzle I need let me put this here, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have dual boxes here? Well, we have here a dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark these boxes. 1 and a 2. Triple boxes then, do we have triple boxes? Here, triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, we have a 2 here, so these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Here also a triple box. And here also a triple box. The 3 is already filled in, so the 2 numbers are left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here the 1, the 2, and 3. Cannot fill this yet, need more information. But when you see a triple box, here also, remember that the box near the middle box, this box, near the middle box, or that box, near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, the 5 is already used here, so this box should be a 4. Same for here, 4 or a 5. Let me mark those numbers here. The box near the middle box, 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 there. So this box should be a 4. Okay, triple box, quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Oh, no quadra boxes here. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions, whatever, you name it. For example, we have here the L shape. The L shape mirrored. Let me draw the L shape here. Alright. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes here? Upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Okay. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Let me scan. No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape, let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. 1 or 2, okay. But I see there, near, we already have a 2 there. So it can't be a 2 anymore. It should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. So 1 box left in this dual box for the number 2. Okay. More? Yeah. upside down or rotated, this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that we need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 of them. Yeah, 3 out of 6, because maximum are 6 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. And we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And why you need to recognize is the following question. Why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes 4 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Alright. Okay. So 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 5. Alright, I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. These 2. Oh, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Okay. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So 2 boxes left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. But this box is also connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 3. But we already have a 3 there. So it can be a 3 anymore. This should be a 2. And that box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And I've marked this box with 2 and a 3. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. Okay. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it can be a 1, could be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be a 5? We have a double 5 there. So yes, definitely a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4. It should be here. Then These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. 3 and 5. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and the 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. Okay. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box, no, don't think too much. Let me see. 1, 2, yeah, 2. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So the other 2 pair, or the other numbers in this area should be the 4 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. Finish in 30 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 indication, it's a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the last puzzle of today will be a killer Sudoku, a.k.a. Sudoku Mix. Until then, bye-bye for now.